In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut is black. That means that autocorrection is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can go into Devices Settings, and instead of going into Tab menu, scroll down just a bit and access Display section. Then scroll all the way down and hit this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!